So today I'm going to be using Benefit's blush shade called Georgia. I'm going to attempt to do this for my lid, my lips, and as a highlight. I know it's a blush, but judging from the shade, honey, I don't think I could use this as nobody's blush. So this is the shade. Oh shoot, you can't even see that. You can't see that. You can't even. You know what? I know what to do. I know a trick or two to get this color to come out, because you gonna play up on my complexion, okay? You gonna play up on my complexion. Okay, let's try this now. I'm gonna apply it directly on the product. The spray directly on the product. That is really natural. It's gonna give me a natural vibes. Really go in. There we go. I know you had some pigment in you, girl. Yes. Yeah, there it goes. Boop. That's cute. It's like opening up the eyes. It's really pretty. Y'all see that? It's cute. We're gonna. Y'all see that? See how pretty that is? Little Georgia peach on the face. So I put the lash on and I did a liner. This right here is a whole mood, right? Whole mood. Super soft, super cute. I like it. I'm gonna do it on the other side now. So I'm gonna use Georgia Peach on my lip, and then I'm gonna put a gloss on top of it and see how that works out. That's pretty. I like that. That hair hitty. I like that a lot. Alright guys, so I use a Giorgio blush for my lid, for my highlight, and for my lips, and it's kind of cute. I like it. I like it. So like a one and done, simple glam situation. That's what this gave me. It's very soft, very peachy. I do love it as a highlight. I do love it as a lip. I like it for the eyes. I like a little bit more pigment for the eyes, but it'll do. But I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you want to see more, all you gotta do is like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you follow me on my social media. So for Instagram, it's @DelightfulAce, and for TikTok, it's @DelightfulAce12. Leave your comments down below. Hit that like button. Put that notification on so we can be friends. Bye, guys.